Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your stream key on YouTube. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So if we look in the upper right side of the screen, we can see our profile. Then there is a little create button. If we select this, we can go to Go Live. Once we select this, we will be brought to the stream page. And I'm going to go to right now, start streaming, and then I'm going to use streaming software. All right, excellent. Now, if we go to where it says stream key, we can go to copy the stream key, and then we can bring this over to OBS, Streamlabs, OBS, or whatever software we are using, and we can simply paste it into there. So it says stream key right here. You can go to the visibility and show the stream key, or you can reset it at any point in time. So just copy it over, and you should be good to go to start live streaming to YouTube now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.